Hi everyone, welcome to Coding Things. In this video, we are going to learn about how map function works and how we can use the map function in Python. So let's get started. Now I am inside my VS Code and I will create a list here is equals to, let's say I will write here 2 comma 4 comma 6 comma 8 comma 10. Okay, so you can see here I have created a list of numbers and I want to perform certain operations here. That is, I want to increase all the numbers by 5. That means I want to add 5 to each of the numbers of this list. Okay, so to do that we will use here map function. Okay, so let's say I'll write here the resultant list is equals to, I will use here map function, and this map function will take two parameters. That is, the first one is the function and the second one is an iterable object. So here the iterable object is list. So let's say I will write here the function is add and the iterable object is here list. Okay, so we need to create this function here. Okay, add. So let's create this function. I will write here, let's say def add, and it will take one parameter, that is n, and it will simply return n plus 5. Okay, so now I want the result in the form of list, so I need to wrap up this map function inside a list function. So I'll write here list and inside it I'll write that map function. Okay, so now I will print this result. Okay, so now if I run this file, then you can see here it is printing the list and all the elements are added with 5. Okay, so the same thing we can do by using lambda function here. Okay, so instead of writing this function we can use here lambda function. So to use lambda function, I will remove this add from here and here we will use lambda function. So I will write here lambda and then it will receive one parameter and it will just do n plus 5. Okay, it will just return the expression, that is n plus 5. Now if I run this file again, then you can see it is printing the same result. Okay, so here it is better to use lambda function instead of using a function or a def or a function definition. We can directly use the anonymous function, that is lambda function here. Okay, this is it for now. We will continue from this onwards in our next video. Thank you for watching this video.